Everybody out there in the YouTube world, it's your boy, Dutch the Diesel Technician, man. Back with another fun-filled informative video today. Had to pull the head off of this Ford Ranger so we can replace the head gasket. Here's the head here. Just the old head. Parts, valves, rockets and shit like that. So that's over there. Now over here, I gotta do an air filter, which I already took out here. Then I had to do this cabin air filter that came out of here. Okay, so I had to pull all of this apart just to get to this daggone filter, man. Ridiculous. All of that for a filter.